Hi, this is Chuck Wilson at Next Home Realty. Today I'm at 1721 Blanco Bend Drive, open house. Just a beautiful house. Nice hallway, has an office on the right, a bedroom, all downstairs. This is a beautiful, beautiful house. Hallway opens up into the kitchen, and look at this huge, beautiful kitchen. Just stunning. And again, the dining room, beautiful, large, and the living room is monstrously huge. Fireplace, outdoor kitchen, every guy's dream. And here we go to the master bedroom. Again, very large. And look at this master bath. Just huge, huge shower, as we'll get to in just a second. Just a huge shower. Also a very large closet. And here's another bedroom, still very large. And the workout room and stairs. And upstairs we're going to see just a beautiful bonus recreation room. You sit there and watch the Aggies all day long, NFL, and then upstairs bath as well. Guys, come see us at 1721 Blanco Bend Drive. This is Chuck Wilson, Next Home Realty.